did he do that?
Is it safe to come out?
No, seriously. How did he do that?
This is how I did it. So you need to use your imagination to come up with the idea. I didn't. I was getting hate on Facebook by a complete stranger. And that gave me the spark I needed to come up with this idea. So I then went on to Google, done an image search, found a room location that I thought would be nice. I then went looking around the house for an angle that would match that picture. Finally found one, put the camera on the tripod, recorded a selfie clip of me saying what I wanted to say. So now for the editing. I use Final Cut as my editing software. All you do is drag in the image of the room that you want. Then lay on top of that, in a separate layer, the selfie clip that you recorded on your camera. Next step is to remove the background from that selfie clip. You can get various plugins to do that. Final Cut has one built in called Scene Removal Mask. Is it safe to come out? Is it safe to come out? Is it safe to... I then added this sound clip to add some atmosphere to the video clip.